Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best hat dryer is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential gadgets for anyone who values their headwear, whether you're a fashion enthusiast, a sports fanatic, or simply someone who wants to keep their favorite cap looking pristine. This innovative device promises to revolutionize how you care for your hats, ensuring they maintain their shape, freshness, and longevity with minimal effort. Number 5. BallcapBuddy 3-Pack Baseball Hat Washer Cage. Introducing the BallcapBuddy, the revolutionary way to keep your favorite caps looking brand new. It cleans, dries, and protects your hats without losing their shape. Crafted from high-quality, engineered polypropylene, this hat washer is built to last. Its reinforced construction ensures it retains its shape for years of use. Designed for everyone, this one-size cage fits both kids and adult caps. It's perfect for baseball caps with both flat and curved brims. Easily clean your hats in either your washing machine or dishwasher. Simply place one cage at a time, preferably on the top rack of your dishwasher for optimal results. Featuring an effortless lock and unlock system, cleaning your caps is a breeze. Just snap your hat in, wash, and unlock when done. It's that simple. Beyond cleaning, it doubles as a convenient hat rack for storage at home or on the go. Keep your hats in pristine condition wherever you are. What we like. This hat washer is designed for safe and quick cleaning, maintaining the shape of your caps. Its durable and flexible construction ensures long-term use. If you have a variety of hats, including flat and curved styles, and want a reliable solution for both washing machines and dishwashers, this is a great choice. What people say. They are so easy to use, they are functional and keep the shape and fit of your hats just the way you like. The frame serves its purpose of keeping the hat's shape while washing. It's fairly sturdy, snaps together snugly, and stayed snapped during the wash. These have been the easiest to use, got my hats good and clean, and maintained their shape incredibly. Number 4. BallcapBuddy Hat Washer. Tired of misshapen or dirty baseball caps? Introducing the BallcapBuddy, the ultimate solution for keeping your favorite hats in perfect condition. Designed to fit both kids' and adults' caps, it's perfect for cleaning and organizing. Use it at home or while traveling to keep your hats looking their best. Crafted from quality engineered polypropylene, this hat washer is built to last. Its reinforced structure ensures it retains its shape, wash after wash. Easily clean your hats in the top rack of your dishwasher or in standard washing machines. It ensures one hat at a time is washed safely and effectively. With its simple lock and unlock feature, cleaning your hats is a breeze. Just place your hat inside, secure it, and let it do the work. This innovative cage cleans your hats without deforming them, whether they have flat or curved brims. Keep your hats pristine with ease. What we like. This hat washer offers a universal fit for most caps and is built for durability. It features an easy lock and unlock mechanism for hassle-free cleaning. If you're looking for a single-pack solution that's versatile for cleaning and organizing, and you appreciate a simple, effective design, this one is worth considering. What people say. They are so easy to use, they are functional and keep the shape and fit of your hats just the way you like. The frame serves its purpose of keeping the hat's shape while washing. It's fairly sturdy, snaps together snugly, and stayed snapped during the wash. These have been the easiest to use, got my hats good and clean, and maintained their shape incredibly. Number 3. XQXA Baseball Hat Washers. Introducing the XQXA hat washers, designed to make your baseball caps and trucker hats sparkle. They are easier to open and lock than traditional hat washers. These hat washers are perfectly sized for both adult and kids' hats. Keep everyone's favorite caps looking fresh and clean. Crafted from super durable, high-quality plastic, these hat protectors offer excellent flexibility and safety. They are built for years of reliable use. Use them in the dishwasher, washing machine, or even for travel. They are designed to perfectly maintain the shape of your hats while cleaning. For the best results and to extend their lifespan, we recommend using a dishwasher with cold or warm water. This ensures your hats retain their shape. If you have any questions during your order or while using the product, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're happy to assist you. What we like. This hat washer set is made from super durable plastic and is designed for easier opening and locking. It effectively protects your hats during cleaning. If you prefer a pack of 2 for convenience and value, and you want a robust protector that keeps your hats in shape in the washing machine or dishwasher, this is a solid option. What people say. Perfect fit for all of our baseball caps. We used these in our top rack dish washing machine. Did 3 loads thus far, 6 hats. Good results. Easy to secure and release. Lightweight. The frame holds up your ball cap firmly during the washing process, ensuring that it stays in place and doesn't get damaged or lost in the machine. Made of high-quality, strong plastic, this hat organizer is sturdy and durable, providing reliable protection for your hats whether you're traveling or storing them at home. Number 2. XQXA Hat Washer Cage. Introducing the XQXA Hat Washer Cage, the ultimate solution for keeping your hats looking their best. No assembly is required, offering a stable and durable way to clean your favorite headwear. Forget hand washing or discarding old hats. Simply place this device in your washing machine for a thorough clean. It's designed to protect your hats during the wash cycle, ensuring they come out looking like new. This hat cleaner acts as a shield, ensuring a complete dirt removal with every wash. It provides robust protection, keeping your hats safe and maintaining their shape throughout the cleaning process. Don't let dirt or misshapen brims ruin your favorite hats. This washer cage is perfect for rejuvenating them, extending their lifespan and preserving them as cherished mementos. Its versatile design fits a wide range of hats for both adults and children. It makes a thoughtful gift for any hat enthusiast, symbolizing care and the preservation of memories. For an even easier clean, this hat washer is also safe to use in your dishwasher. It's a convenient and reliable way to maintain your hat collection. What we like. This hat washer requires no assembly and provides a simple, effective cleaning solution with a protective shield. It's designed to revive hats and extend their lifespan. If you dislike assembly and want a straightforward, durable way to clean hats of all ages, ensuring they are well protected during the wash cycle, this is an excellent pick. What people say. Perfect fit for all of our baseball caps. We used these in our top rack dish washing machine. Did 3 loads thus far, 6 hats. Good results. Easy to secure and release. Lightweight. The frame holds up your ball cap firmly during the washing process, ensuring that it stays in place and doesn't get damaged or lost in the machine. Made of high-quality, strong plastic, this hat organizer is sturdy and durable, providing reliable protection for your hats whether you're traveling or storing them at home. Number 1. Ultimate Hat Cleaning Kit. Tired of dirty hats? Introducing the Ultimate Hat Cleaning Kit, your all-in-one solution for keeping your headwear looking its best. This versatile kit is designed to clean all types of hats, from baseball caps to cowboy hats and everything in between. It includes a powerful cleaner and a brush to tackle tough stains and remove unwanted odors, ensuring your hats stay fresh. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and unpleasant smells. This kit effectively removes them, restoring your hats to their former glory. Using it is simple. Just apply the cleaner, use the brush for gentle scrubbing, and let it work its magic. With this kit, you can easily maintain the appearance of all your favorite hats, making them look new for longer. What we like. This is an all-in-one hat cleaning kit that includes a brush and deodorizer, perfect for removing stains. It's designed for all types of hats, including baseball and cowboy hats. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution that goes beyond just washing, tackling stains and odors to keep all your headwear fresh and clean, this kit is ideal. What people say. Cleaner not only smells good, but immediately started removing the stains and mold. This cleaning kit works very well. I used it to clean a hat that I wear when mowing the lawn. The hat had lots of sweat stains and dirt. After cleaning the hat, it looked brand new again. Works on all types of hats, including wool, cotton, and synthetic, but it takes time and patience to clean thoroughly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.